Well, this is something interesting. Wonder what this is. I have no idea what it might be. It's very large tires, so it's obviously made to go travel somehow. What are these black tanks? Feels like air tanks of some kind. A lot of controls, fuel pump primer, engine fault, some kind of hydraulic system and some major exhaust. Well, there's one and another one over there. Look at that engine. Boy, that's something that a drag racer would certainly like to have. What do these signs say? Noon Industries, Sebringville, Ontario, Canada. Do not ride the equipment. Stay off of it while in use. Looks like something a fire department would like to have to put out a fire. Lights? What is this thing? Anything else? Oh my golly. This sign says lagoon crawler for people with livestock. If they've got a lagoon for manure, this crawls through it, stirs it up, shoots it around. Boy, it'd be something that you'd like to drive down the street sometime. Probably turn a few heads. That's our report from the farm. I'm Stu Ellis for WCIA 3, your local news leader.